Here's another great RV from Parkview RV, where roughing it is not an option.
Hi guys, I'm Brianna. Today I'm showing you IBEX by Forest River model 10LHG. Let's go check it out.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below this screen. But the best way to view this beautiful unit is to put yourself in it. Stop by today and see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation. Fifth wheels, motorhomes, toy haulers, and travel trailers from Winnebago, Lance, Northern Light, Forest River, and more. Parkview RV has whatever you need. Parkview RV, where roughing it is not an option.